Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. It's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another crafty project to share with you guys, and this is a double pop-up pocket card, and I absolutely love how this turned out. So here is the front. This paper collection is from AliExpress, and this is how the back looks like. I used some black ribbon on the side to make the closure. I absolutely love how nice this card looks, and when we open it up, we have a pop-up, and this pop-up will hold 4x3 pictures on both sides. This is how it looks, and you can add 4x3 pictures with the borders around them. And not only here, but you can also add pictures down on the black matted area. And then on the next page we have this plain black space to add pictures. You can add a bigger picture or collage smaller pictures. Then we have a pocket, and here are the photo mats. I added 2 photo mats, but of course you can add more. And this is from the paper collection again. Yeah, this is the card. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, do let me know in the comments down below. And this card is available for sale on my Instagram, so make sure you contact me if you want to buy this. The details will be all down in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.